So hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving another LeetCode problem and the problem name is longest balanced string part 1. So you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. A substring of S is called balanced if all distinct characters in that particular substring appear same number of time. In the end we need to return the length of longest balanced substring of this particular string S. So the problem statement is pretty much straightforward. So you are given a string S, we need to find the longest substring length which satisfies the property of this balanced. So let's say a substring is this A, B, B, A, C, C. So it is a balanced substring because total number of distinct characters are what? A, B and C, and all of them have the same frequency, that is 2, 2 and 2. So if all the distinct characters have the same frequency, we can say okay, that particular substring is balanced, and we need to maximize this length. So we need to find the longest substring which satisfies the property of this balanced. So this is what the question is saying. So let us see the first example and try to understand in more better way. So the first example has the string as A, B, B, A, C. So in this you can see this particular substring A, B, B, A. Here we have two distinct characters A and B. A is appearing 2 number of time and B is appearing 2 number of time. So we can say that okay, this particular substring is balanced. So what is its length? Its length is 4. So we will return 4. So you can see the length of the longest balanced substring is 4. So that's why we are returning the output as 4. And you can check any other substring, you will not get length more than 4. So that's why the output here is 4. So the problem statement is pretty much straightforward, and if you look at the constraints, the size of the string can go as max as 1000. So the constraints are also very low. So what we can do, we can just iterate over all the possible substrings. So let's say this is the string that we have. So we will try this particular substring, we will try this substring, we will try this substring, this substring, this substring, then we will start from here, this substring, this substring, this substring, so on and so forth. We will try out all the possible substrings. For each and every substring we will count how many distinct characters are there and what is its frequency, and we will check whether all of these frequencies are same or not. If it is, we will count it as a balanced substring and record its length, and we will compare it with the longest length that we have so far. Otherwise, if it is not balanced, we will try out some other substring, and we will keep on doing until we finish all of the substrings. So that is what we will be doing. So let us see with the help of code. It is pretty much simple problem. It is marked as medium, but you can see even the brute force approach will work here. So it is kind of easy problem only. You just need to iterate over all the substring. For each and every substring, count number of distinct characters and its frequency. If all the frequencies are same, that means it is a balanced substring. So just record its length and compare it with the current maximum length that you have. If the length of the substring is greater than the current maximum length, update your maximum, otherwise move forward. So this is what we will be doing. So let us see with the code now. So you can see this is the code. So n is the size of the string. Answer 0. Answer is initialized to 0, which will tell length of longest substring. So it will tell the length of the longest substring. So we are going out to each and every substring. So you can see I is from 0 up till less than n, and j is from I up till less than n. So we are checking each and every possible substring. For each and every substring we are just carrying a map with us, an unordered map. It will tell what is the frequency of each and every distinct character. So we are just incrementing the frequency of each and every character, and we will check whether this particular substring is balanced or not. So we are creating a function is balanced, which will tell whether this particular substring is balanced or not. So we are passing the map inside it and the last character that we added, because we need for example, we need all frequencies of the character should be same. So whatever character we choose, every other character should match its frequency, right? So I am taking the last character's frequency, and all other characters should have the same frequency. So it doesn't matter what character you choose. You can choose any character from the substring. Its value should be equal to all other values. So I have taken the last character that I have added in the map, its particular frequency value, and now we will check whether this string is balanced or not. So for this particular value we need to check. So we are iterating over the entire map. We are checking whether a particular character's frequency is equal to value or not. If it is not equal to value, even if a single character's frequency is not equal to the this particular value, that means this particular substring is not balanced, so we are returning false from here. Otherwise, after completing the iteration, we didn't return false. That means each and every character has frequency equal to this value, so we are returning true. That means it is a balanced substring, so we are returning true. Now if it is a balanced substring, how will we find out the length? The length of the substring, how do we get? The length of the substring is nothing but j minus I plus 1. So we are just checking the length of the substring. So answer is storing the maximum length that we have till now. So if the current length is greater than this answer, we will update our answer with this current length. Otherwise, we will keep on moving forward. In the end, whatever this answer is storing, the maximum length, we will just return that. So I hope you understand this particular solution. Thank you for watching.